system for weather radio station KEAS C55.
I swear!
Dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated.
I didn't hear either of you activate!
Tests of the signal
Or actually just sound your siren. Yeah, both of y'all activated.
each Wednesday between 10
But
and
y'all both did not sound your sirens.
If there is a threat of severe weather,
Advisory
will be
signs.
postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given moment. This variation, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will now let's check on your local forecast for the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. Tonight, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-50s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Thursday, sunny. Highs in the mid-80s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Thursday night, clear. Lows in the upper 50s. West winds
Just wait for it.
Friday, sunny. Highs in the upper 80s. Northwest winds.
Both of y'all. Both of y'all.
And now the extended for.
Both of y'all. I swear. Both y'all. Both of y'all. Dude, this is the third time that this has not sounded its advisory siren. And it's on voice. It's on voice, and it's not playing it. And this one just doesn't want to ever play its advisory siren. And that one, oh Jesus.
Monday, mostly sunny.
Wait for it.
Highs in the mid-80s. Monday night, mostly
Wait for
cloudy.
it.
A 20% chance of showers after midnight. Lows in the upper 20. Mineral Wells, sunny, 83. South at 12. Elsewhere around the region, sunny, 83. Abilene, sunny, 88. South at 12. Waco, sunny, 79. South at 20. Tyler, clear, 78. South at 9. Once again at 6 p.m., DFW Airport. Now let's check on your local forecast for the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. Mostly clear. Lows in the mid-50s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour, becoming southwest after midnight. Thursday, sunny. Highs in the mid-80s.
Where is it? Where's the double test?
Thursday night.
Where's the double test? You usually do yours first.
West winds around 5 miles an hour. Friday, sunny.
You're gonna not doing it today? You're gonna not do it today? You gonna not do it today? You're not gonna do it today?
East winds around 5 miles an hour.
Okay, they are doing it. They are doing it.
Highs around 90. Saturday night, mostly cloudy.
What the f***?
Sunday,
You did not sound your siren.
upper 80s.
Your advisory tone.
National Weather
Either.
Service Office in 4 lows in the mid-60s. The procedure
Either.
Either. System for weather. Highs in the mid-80s. C56 Monday night.
Okay, I don't think they sound their advisory siren. I mean, they don't sound their advisory siren for tests.
Showers in the morning. Then partly sunny with a chance of showers in the afternoon. Conductive highs in the lower 80s. Each Wednesday, chance of rain 30%. Tuesday night, mostly cloudy with a slight chance of thunderstorms.
Double test.
A chance of showers to the next available lows in the mid-60s. Reception chance of rain 40%, especially the Wednesday. Mostly cloudy with a chance of showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms in the morning. Then partly sunny with a chance of showers in the afternoon. Can occur even locally heavy rainfall. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Dallas, North Texas, Kaufman, Parker, Rockwall, and Tarrant. This concludes the test of winter radio station C56. Spotter activation is not expected at this time. And now the hazardous weather.
They don't sound a siren for tests.
Chances for storms return on Tuesday.
Both y'all didn't.
The ultraviolet index forecast for
I guess that's just a thing with W120s. They don't sound their advisory sounds for tests. And it's the same with this guy right here, I guess. But you do it for tests. I've heard you before. Okay, that's weird.
2.46. Relative humidity 30.
Okay. RWT 10-16, I believe this is. Yeah, I think it's 10-16. I don't know, actually. If it's not, then just don't get mad at me, okay? Let's look at the siren test changed. Nope. Huh. I swear when I got that thing, I was doing its wanted tone. And now it's doing its advisory tone. And I still haven't figured out how to access AM and FM. You can see it's on there. You can see it's on there. Okay. That concludes the test. And everybody activated. Yes. Yay. Oh, where did the other one of these go? Well, the older one. Okay, enough jibber jabber. Bye.